This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by duplicating the background so you never destroy pixels. Once done, open the Channels palette and look for the channel with greatest contrast between text and background. That contrast is your selection tool. Make a copy of that channel and run levels or threshold to boost separation, then load that channel as a selection. Now you have a precise text mask. Make sure to invert if you selected the background instead of the letters, and refine edges slightly. With the text selection active, create a new empty layer and set it to normal. You will clone onto that layer. Use the Clone Stamp tool, sample nearby clean areas with Alt-click, and paint over the text following background textures. Hardness 50-100% for sharp edges, softer for gradients. Once broad forms are rebuilt, switch to the healing brush to blend seams and texture. Sample frequently and work in small strokes. You should alternate cloning and healing until the text shape reads like surrounding pixels. To finish, hide the original layer and inspect your cloned layer. Make subtle adjustments with the smudge tool at very low strength if needed, then merge visible layers. If sharpness or edges look wrong, apply a tiny Gaussian blur, about 0.5 to 2 px, and reapply a touch of sharpening selectively. If you see repeating patterns, sample from different areas and break repetition with small texture patches. If things go wrong, undo to the duplicate background, and try smaller cloning steps with more varied samples.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.